Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up plugins in Pro Tools using the Elgato Streamdeck. Let me give you a quick preview. Here we are in Pro Tools. I click a button hovering over a channel insert and it instantly types it and brings it up. So let's go over how to do that with the Devil Lock by Soundtoys, great plugin. To get you set up, a few things here. First, big shout out to Josh MixedIt for creating the code that we're going to do the basis of this video on. First things first though, you're going to need to download Autohotkey. So if you type Autohotkey, this will also be in the description of the video. And then download version 1. You'll click the download button and you'll see download V2 or download V1. Choose V1. I don't know if this works with V2. This is based on, again, Josh MixedIt's launcher file, which we'll go over in a second. So once you have that, second thing you're going to need is in the marketplace, the Streamdeck marketplace, you're going to need advanced launcher by bar rater. So I'll put both of these links in the description of the video. Once you have that, next what we're going to do is create a folder on your desktop called AHK. That stands for AutoHotkey, all caps, exactly like I have it here. Once you have that, go ahead and right click a blank space and click new, or hover over new and click AutoHotkey script. We're going to call this one launcher, so go ahead and type in launcher and you're good to go. I'm going to supply this code so you'll be able to copy and paste it. What that code looks like is this. So go to edit script. Here's that code. I'll put that in the description of the video. Go ahead and copy all of this and then file, save it. So once you have that, that's the launcher, that's the basis for all of this. We're going to create our own custom keys. So how this works is actually pretty simple. Why I did a deviation from Josh's video was Josh had it so you would go into Pro Tools and it would have it go through the menu and pull up sound field and then open it up. And it was creating plugins but not assigning them to channels. I wanted to have it assigned to a channel. So how does this work logically so you can understand how to build your own? Go ahead and click right, click new, AutoHotkey script, and then let's call this one Devil-Lock. And then go ahead and edit that. And then you're going to have this. Go ahead and delete all of that. First things first, I'm going to paste the code, but this will be in the description as well, and I'll walk you through logically what's happening here. So first thing, click. What this is saying is that wherever you hover your mouse, this AutoHotkey is going to click wherever that is. So it's saying over the insert, click. Next thing is send input. This is another command, comma, whatever your plugin is spelled as exactly as it's listed. So I just did Fab Filter before. I did FAB space FILTER. Why that is so important is that when we click this button, it's going to spell it out for you nearly instantly. So the spelling's got to be right. So in this case, let's go ahead and pick Devil-Lock, return, and then put send input, capital I, and then the brackets enter. So that's saying after we type it, we want to click enter. Once you have this, go ahead and save that file. So we got Devil-Lock there. We have our launcher file as well. Go ahead and open up that Streamdeck. And then in the right-hand column, under Advanced Launcher by Bar Rater, go ahead and click Advanced Launcher and go ahead and grab that to an empty channel strip. So here it is. We'll give it a name. We'll call it Devil-Lock. We're going to choose the launcher file for application. So go ahead and click choose file. And then in your AHK file, go down and choose launcher. So where is that? Here we go. Click open. That's good to go. And then arguments is the next step. With arguments, what we're going to do is use this code. It's going to be your computer's drive. So C, I'm assuming, users, and then in my case, Matt, but it would be whatever your name is. And then /desktop, /AHK, / whatever the name of your plugin is. So really what this is the file name. In this case, we're going to use Devil-Lock, and I'll walk you through it. So I'm going to paste it, but I'll walk you through it from the beginning. So here we start with quotation marks, and we also end with quotation marks. You do your drive, your username, desktop if you stored that file in desktop, AHK, and then under HK, we're going to, underneath that path, we had fab filter. Let's do devil dash lock. Again, this is the name of the file. So you could give the file whatever name you wanted. I'd assume you would give it the same as the plugin. So in this case, we choose devil lock, AHK, end quotation. And then if you want to add a photo and make it look pretty, what that looks like is this. It's really simple. We'll go devil lock, go to images. I always like to find something that's kind of small like this. Right click, save image as, and then this is going to be a PNG, which should work. And it's as simple with Chrome where you can grab that downloaded file and then pull it to the here, this image, underneath the Stream Deck icons. You can't drag it onto the icons here, but you can drag it onto here, and then boom, you're good to go. Let's test it out. You can always test this out while this is open. So if you want to do this in Pro Tools and try different crazy things, you can do that. I'm pushing devil lock right now, and with that, go ahead and typed it out. It didn't, oh, it did work. Okay, there we go. So how does this work logically, just so you fully understand it? Again, the first line of the command is click, so it clicks, and then it starts typing. In Pro Tools, you can always type to find plugins, but we're having it enter the string of text in that file, and then we're clicking enter, right? That's the command is that third line. So it's saving you time from having to do that. Plus, you could simply look at your compressors and everything in one area and go, okay, boom, I want devil lock on this. There, good to go. So that you can do this with sends as well. I haven't created a video or script on that, but it's essentially wherever your mouse is hovering is where it's going to send that. There are more complicated things you can do with the Stream Deck. In Josh MixedIt's video, why I didn't like the code in that one was it was going into the menu, into Audio Suite, pulling up plugins that way. But then the issue was it wasn't assigning them to a specific channel. Another way you could try, and I tried, was doing X and Y coordinates. And you could even have Autohotkeys choose a certain image. But the issue with that is these inserts are extremely vague, and it might pull up an insert somewhere else. So this is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. Again, you simply click a button, and then it's typing it in really quick and assigning them to the channels the way you want. So again, big shout out to Josh MixedIt. I had a huge headache trying to figure this out, so I hope this helps you out. And if you want to support me, go ahead and check out my two different bands. I have Americana, kind of alt country rock band called East Cliff, E-A-S-T, Cliff. And then I have a more hard rock band called Analog Spirit, A-N-A-L-O-G-U-E, Spirit. Go ahead and check those out, stream them if you like the music, and thank you so much for watching.